Alright, welcome to the very first lecture on this JavaScript course. So without wasting much time, I just actually before we get started, I just want to make sure that we've installed Node.js and we have VS Code installed. So you can just go to nodejs.org and that should take you to the Node.js website. So I want everyone to download the LTS version, which is the long term service version. So that this is the latest version, actually the long term version without bugs. But this is the latest version. But it's recommended to download the LTS version, which is long term support. Yeah. So the other thing is to download Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code. Now there is Visual Studio and there is Visual Studio Code, but it's the one we're going to be using is Visual Studio Code. So that is located at code.visualstudio.com, and you download for. I'm on a Mac, so it's actually recommend me to download the Mac version, but you can look for your version and download the installer right there. All right. So then this is the environment. This is Visual Studio Code. Your environment might be different. That is, the setup might be different. I have some extensions added. So for example, if I add a file called index.js, so which is the extension for JavaScript, you'll see that I have this icon. You might not have it. So if you want to have the exact icon that I have, then all you need to do is just download. You just head over to the extensions. So where my mouse is, extensions, and look for material icons. So once you install material icon, and that will set up your icons to be something like this. And if you want to have the same theme that I have, so for example, if I just log to the console, hello world. So if you want to have the same theme as I have here, so you just need to download dark plus material and set it as your color theme, right? All right, so that's just it for this lecture. I just want to make sure that we've installed the right tools, and in the next lecture, actually before I end the lecture, I just want you to hit Command J or Control J, or you could just head over to your normal terminal or your command prompt, depending on which operating system you're using. And if you type in node dash v, it should give you the node. So I'm currently running on node version 16. The latest LTS is 18, but it should be fine. If you have 14 above, that is fine. So if this throw an error, it's either you haven't installed node or you haven't set up node for properly in your environment variable for the terminal to pick that up. But mostly once you install it, that should actually pick it up directly. All right, so that's going to be it for this lecture. I'm going to see you in the next one.